Hello again. Today I have to show you guys this Galaxy oscillating desk fan. I've had this fan for a very long time. I believe I got it up in Wisconsin while me and my grandma were going antiquing. We were at a thrift store and I saw it there and I was just like, alright, I'll pick that up, why not? It has amber blades and it has, and it's not really white, it's a cream color. Definitely 70s, 80s. Pretty old fan. Alright, now I'll start it up. This fan spent most of its time in my bedroom on low with the oscillating function on, circulating the air. You can probably hear the cat in the background. And if you hear a difference between the audio quality in this video and the last one, you're not going crazy. I'm using a new microphone. Well, not really new, but I just decided to put it back on since I'm not really filming outside anymore, where there's a bunch of wind. Now, I'll turn on oscillation. Cool, it does still work. And now high speed. Also, I believe that the clips on the side, these clips are not original. They do not look original, but I wouldn't be surprised if they were. Well, actually, I'd be quite surprised if they were original because they look like they're made out of plastic and they look like they not hold together for that long. Maybe I'll put this fan back in my room sometime, but right now I have probably quite a lot of fans in there. And I'll show you the cat. Oh, here he goes. Singer. Oh, he's moving around. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. By the way, some of my next videos I might not talk in them, just because, you know, you can always hear my heavy breathing, because I don't know why. I don't know why I breathe so heavily when I'm recording videos. I guess I just get really worked up or something. But anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Peace.